Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You are here with me again. I am Tuan Yusuf bin Wanastan, Skep TV's reporter. For your information, today is the launch day for the Toyota Eco Youth program in 2018 at the Perumahan PPRT, Taman Hadhari, Paka. To know more about the project that is handled by the Seri Eco team in this competition, let's join me. Let's go. SMK Seri Paka launched the Waste Management Project of Toyota Eco Youth Program on the 2nd August at Perumahan PPRT, Taman Hadhari, Paka. The ceremony was launched by Tuan Haji Ngah bin Bidin, Ketua Sektor Pengurusan Pembangunan Kemanusiaan SPPK, JPNT. SMK Seri Paka have been selected to represent the Terengganu in this 2018 Toyota Eco Youth Challenge. Their project statement is inappropriate disposal of rubbish around Taman Hadhari, PPRT House. Their target is to promote the 3R program to the communities. The purpose of this project is to manage littering of rubbish and water disposal problems at Taman Hadhari, PPRT House. The purpose of this project is to manage littering of rubbish and water disposal problems at Taman Hadhari, PPRT House for an eco-friendly household management. The project are conducted by Seri Eco team. There are 20 pupils involved in TEY program. Their teachers advisor are Encik Ahmad Zulkarnain bin Yahya and Puan Akila binti Abu Bakar. Toyota Eco Youth Challenge is a competition between states in order to save the environment. So let us support the Seri Eco team project to save our nature. Hello everybody, with me right here is one of the participants from the program TEY. So, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Aino Ardina. I'm 16 years old. I am one of the leader of Seri Eco team. We are from SMK Seri Paka.
Okay, what is the project handled by the Seri Eco team for this competition? Could you please tell us about it?
For this year, our main project is about waste management. It's all about waste around here.
What is the vision for this project?
Our vision is towards improving the quality of waste management in our community.
What is the mission?
Our mission is to encourage communities to be responsible towards nature.
Is there any motivation or motto for this project?
Of course, our motto is love our nature for the future.
Thank you. We are from Skep TV. We'll pray for your success at SMK Seri Paka in this competition. So, may you win.
Thank you.
That's all for today's episode. Love our nature for our future. Bye!